Valentine's Day is 4 days away, and if you need to get a gift for someone special in your life and you have not yet done so, it's time for the truth. Amazon is already an important goal when it comes to last-minute gifts with free 2-day shipping for Prime members, but now it has reduced prices on several of its main devices, so you can get a gift at a discount and get it quickly. If you are not in the market for an Amazon device, other retailers are offering really good discounts on Bluetooth headsets. The Anker brand Zero headphones are being branded on Amazon. Bose's truly wireless sound sport is for sale, and all sorts of Beats models have come down to the lowest price we've seen in a long time. If you feel romantic, choose a Fujifilm Instant Film to capture your love night or start a small love garden with your partner, and one of our favorite gifts, the Click and Grow Smart Garden. If you're not, get some of those noise-cancelling headphones and listen to the Smiths or something. There is a gift for everyone.